Hey, is this darn thing on? Here with your Colorado Ride Report for October the 11th. Clear and cold. Ooh, it was a chilly one right before the sun came up. But now it's clear and it's cold. It's going to be a good old riding day. It's going to warm up to probably almost 60. And so that'll be a good thing. Had to do a couple layers here. But it ain't bad. You get used to it. That full face helmet will help me ride a lot longer. Hi. So that's it. It's a nice day to ride. A little bit of snow ain't bothering nobody. A little bit of freezing temperatures. If we wanted to be warm, we could ride inside some darn car. Oh, wouldn't that suck? Unless we're going snowboarding. So, hot cocoa. Took all these cool videos with the GoPro Hero 4 on my head. Had her strapped up like this, like Mr. Tater Head. And I went and I did it right before it snowed. It was freaking epic. The leaves were perfect. It was great. And I was all excited. Oh man, my first GoPro videos, and no more of this stupid laptop videos or phone videos. And I was thinking, oh man, it's great. And what do you know? A, the darn thing went into some timing mode and didn't record it all. And B, it wouldn't download my stuff. So I was thinking, well, I better go get me a cable just to make sure. And well, you know, that cable's like $8 or something. I'm looking on Walmart. I said, oh hell, I'll just order me this Hero 7 package. It's got all kinds of cool stuff on it. So we'll figure out that Hero 4 with the cable. And now we're gonna have a Hero 7 with a mic and stabilization. And it ought to get better. Then we're gonna get some videos of rides, dirt biking, and snowboarding, and maybe even some ice climbing and stuff. Although I don't know if I want to film myself potentially dying, but that should make these videos better. And you won't be so darn. I won't have as many zero views. Maybe I don't care because my granddaughter gonna watch it at some point. Maybe my grandson. I think my daughter might watch it every now and then. Or it'll become interesting once I'm dead. And so that's my story. I'm sticking to it. Cold,